Introducing Nekoosa's new multi-purpose, universal, removable, pressure-sensitive textured vinyl. One product with endless applications like one-step floor graphics, wall graphics, and window signage. This 6mm semi-rigid matte white textured face stock is UL 410 slip resistance certified. Trifecta also has a high opacity film with an excellent white point. Made in the USA, Trifecta is equipped with universal removable adhesive that will cleanly remove from indoor and outdoor surfaces.
So when should you use Trifecta? Remember this: floors, walls, and windows. This UL certified vinyl creates a high quality, easy to use, install, and remove vinyl substrate that
will remove cleanly for indoor applications up to 6 months.
All you have to do is peel back the liner, stick, and you're done.
Seen here printing on eco-solvent, latex, and UV wide format. Trifecta is also compatible with True Solvent, screen, or UV offset inks. Did I mention windows? Trifecta is perfect for short-term decorative window graphics. And last but certainly not least, Trifecta's 90-pound lay-flat poly-coated paper liner eases the printing and installation process, eliminating the need for lamination, allowing you to create and obtain graphics quicker and more efficiently. Check out brands.nekoosa.com/trifecta to learn more about the product and to order a free sample roll.